I used to be a committed Chrome user. I thought there was no better browser. I would stick to this one to the end of time. And I tried different ones just because, I like to try new things. Like I tried Arc, I tried Safari, I tried a few other random browsers, and I always came back to Chrome. Now, I've been using Dia browser, which is a successor of Arc browser, for about 3-4 months now. And I am not going back. I'm not going back, and I want to show you why. Because it has some really cool features that I don't want to give up on anymore. Some embedded AI features that I want to show you. And then you can make your own decision if you want to try it or if you want to stick to Chrome. But basically what makes Dia so cool is that it lets you chat with your tabs. It lets you tag tabs. It lets you upload files. It's basically like ChatGPT in the side corner of your browser. You can ask questions, you can browse, you can browse with AI basically like you would in ChatGPT or Gemini, and it gives you answers directly, referencing what you're seeing on a screen in the browser as well. And where that is also really cool is when you're watching YouTube videos or YouTube tutorials. So let's look at an example. Let's say I want to learn N8N, and here's a tutorial for beginners. Let me open this video. Basically, I can ask, on the right here, I can ask Dia, please give me a step-by-step learning plan for N8N. Super simple. Let's see what it does. Basically, it checks the video transcript, and then it answers. And it uses ChatGPT 5, so one of the more advanced LLMs. 7-day N8N learning plan. It basically referred to what I need to do and what I need to learn from the video and made me a plan, right? And exercises as well. Really cool. So if I watch this video, for example, and then I want a summary of what we discussed for my notes, I can just copy that and I don't need to take manual notes. And I can ask follow-up questions if I didn't understand something. It will pull it from here, but also from around the internet. So that's super helpful. What I love using Dia for also is when I post on my own YouTube channel. Let me show you. Let's say my video about an Ocean AI agent. And I want to create timestamps for this video like you see here, or also here, timestamps. Now this is really cool. Dia lets you create skills, which is basically, you can see it here, new skill. You can describe what you needed to do. You can add tabs or files, attach. Basically, it lets you create a custom GPT style thing in your browser. So what I would use a skill for, or what I created a skill for, and you can see it here, is timestamps. Basically, I can just select timestamps or type it in like timestamps/timestamps and just press enter. It will read the transcript of my video and then it will give me the timestamps that I can copy paste into my YouTube video's description. So typically I just upload the video and then I ask it after I uploaded the video, can you just generate the timestamps? Super easy, saves me some time in doing it myself. So that is another way I use Dia. And you can see there are so many other skills. Like, for example, I have this one, which is a skill based on a YouTube video I watched. So basically I asked, like, a YouTuber is teaching about how to film and script YouTube videos, and I just said, refer to this video and give me advice for my own videos. So you can see YouTube Math. It reads, it knows a prompt, it knows it needs to give me advice, it needs to generate a YouTube script, script guidelines, structure the script, and now it, gave me a script for the video based on what this creator suggested, how to structure it, basically. So it's really cool, great starting point. What other skills I have? I have a skill for creator collab. So if I am on a website, let's say I like this Basically, it's like a tool that lets you track your favorite channels, discover viral videos, and write winning scripts. And let's say I want to reach out to them for a creator collab. I can just go to my chat and I can be like, creator collab. And that is a skill that was already in the skills library, because Dia has a skills library, which I can show you in a second. But yeah, basically it suggests a creator collab that I can pitch to them, and gives me some interesting ideas. So I love that. And I want to show you the Dia skills gallery. This is a skills gallery. You can see color analysis is a new one. Color analysis, best word, gets the best word to use in the moment. Interesting. Fact checker, you can just be like /fact check, and then it fact checks what your text or something. Shop smarter, do like the grades, find something to watch tonight. Oh, I love that. Gen Z translator, transcript of any YouTube video, fill in the gap. And what you can do is you can just be like, try in Dia, and then it adds the skill to Dia. Add skill. You can customize it, but more or less, let's say it's right. Instant. Close it. I go here. I go transcript. Enter. And it will give me the transcript. That's how easy it is. And having this AI embedded into the browser, but also this like sidebar. I love having the tabs on the left, like from using Arc. I like that feature. Plus, I have all of my Chrome plugins here on top, so I don't feel like I'm missing out on using Chrome or anything. I have my bookmarks, I have my pinned pages. I can also switch views if I prefer the regular Chrome view. I don't have to use this sidebar. And I can chat to AI and ask it and create custom skills for what I need to do. Yeah, that's just like amazing. I've been really enjoying using Dia for the past months. And if you want to try it, I'm happy to send you an invite link. I think I can do it here. Invite to Dia. I can send you my invite if you want to try it out. Just comment Dia below and I will send it to you. Yeah, just wanted to show you what I've been using as an ex-Chrome user, Chrome only user who was like thinking I will never switch to anything else. Yeah, bye bye.